Hey guys, it's me Chicha and you're most welcome to this Google Earth on Air Universe, and today in this video I'm gonna research some keywords for one of my clients who sells plumbing service in USA. So let's start the video. This is my client's website, and after researching this website I have found that this will be our mother keywords and our location will be United States. Keywords types are mainly buying keywords and our secondary keywords is generic keywords. So let's go to our Google Ads account and then we need to go to tools and running to keyword planner, then discover planner, then copy paste the keywords. Location will be UNA, United States, and our landing page URL is so get result. There are some high competition keywords, so let's filter them. Add filter, competition, low and medium, apply. So let's research and select 20 keywords from this. Garage sink plumbing, it's a medium, and yeah, we can take it. Outdoor sink plumbing, emergency plumbing near me, plumbing service near me. So our keyword research is done. So let's do forecasting. So we need to go to running to keyword planner, then get search volume, and we need to upload this. Oh shit! No. Garbage. And after that, get started. Not from Bangladesh, it's from USA, and then forecast. Yeah, our cost will be 330 and $30 average daily budget. I think let's change maximize conversion to maximize clicks. Apply. Oh, it will same and we get 5 conversion a month. Let's check what about manual CPC. Apply. The conversion is same, but our cost will decrease and daily budget will be $20 a day. and with a $100 max CPC. Maximise conversion will be better for us with a $10 daily budget and 320 a month, and we get 5 conversion from this. It gets a screenshot. Insert image, put image, and our top tier location will be image. So our budget will be BUD budget $10 daily and 3020 per month, and we'll get almost estimated conversion CP will be $66, and then average CTR will be 2.3, and average CPC estimated actual to 3.77. Yeah, so our keyword research is over, and bye bye.